How to recover deleted text messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your messaging app, here we go. At the top left corner, you can find this option of filters, tap on it. Now over here, you'll find this section for recently deleted, tap on it. Now over here, you're going to find the messages that you have deleted within 30 days. Conversations will show the days remaining before deletion. After that time, messages will be permanently deleted. That may take up to 40 days. These are the days remaining for these messages to be deleted. So how to recover it? All you have to do is check in for the message that you want to recover. Now at the bottom right, you'll find this option of recover. Tap on it. Now select this option, recover messages. With that, your messages has been recovered. So this is how you can recover deleted text messages on iPhone. Likewise, another way is to reset iPhone and restore from backup. For that, head towards Settings application. Now scroll down and head towards the option of General. Scroll all the way down, you can see the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that option. Tap on the option Erase All Content and Settings. Now tap on Continue. Now just type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. After you reset your iPhone and while you set up again, you'll get the option to restore from iCloud backup. You have to select that option, and with that you will be able to recover deleted text messages on iPhone. So this was all for this video. This is how you can recover deleted text messages on iPhone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.